Good morning, our students. We are going today to make a revision on fraction. Let's start by what the meaning of the fraction. Fraction are a way to represent parts of a whole. As when I have a heart as shown, which represented by 1. But when I divided this heart into two equal parts, I represent it by half of the heart. Let's revise how to write the fraction. The fraction consists of two numbers divided each other, as the upper number is called numerator and the bottom will be denominator. Numerator will represent here by 1 and denominator will be 2. Denominator represents the parts I divided the whole number into, the whole shape, but numerator is the part I have. Let's see some examples. As in this circle, I divided this circle into two equal parts. Then here I put how many parts do I have? Two equal parts. How many shaded part? 1. So it's called 1 over 2. Another one. How many equal parts do I have? 4. How many shaded part? 1. So it's called 1 over 4. How many parts do I have? 3. How many shaded part? 1. Let's see some examples of equivalent fraction. As in this shape, we have two circles. The first one divided into two equal parts, and the shaded part is 1 part. So I represent it by 1 over 2. In the other way, we have circle divided into 4 equal parts, and the shaded part is 2 equal parts. If this circle is equal to this circle, yes, this is a half of the circle, and also this is the half of the circle. This means that 1 over 2 equal 2 over 4. Let's see some example. 2 over 4 equal 4 over 8. In the fraction, we have some operation can do it in the fraction. As here in this example, you can make time or divide it only. As 2 increase to be 4. So 2 to make increase will be make what? Multiply. 2 times what equal 4? 2 times 2. But also in the fraction, if we make any operation up, you must make the same operation down. 2 times 2 equal 4. So 4 times 2 will be 8. Let's solve some examples. 2 over 5 equal 4 over what? 2 times what equal 4? 2 times 2. Then 5 times 2 will be 10. 2 times what equals 6? 2 times 3. Then 5 times 3 will be 15. Another one. 2 times what equal 10? 2 times 5 equal 10. Then 5 times 5 will be 25. 2 times what equal 18? 2 times 9. Then 5 times 9 equal 45. 2 times what equal 20? 2 times 10. Then 5 times 10 equal 50. Another one. 1 equal 3 over what? Do you remember the 1? When I make divided by same two equal numbers, they will be 1. As 1 equal 2 divided 2, 3 divided 3, and so on. So 1 will be 3 divided 3, or 8 over 8, or 10 over 10, or 5 over 5, and so on. Another one. 15 over 5. 5 will be 1, so 5 decrease to be 1. When I decrease, I make time or divided, I make divided. 5 divided what equal 1? 5 divided 5. Then 15 divided 5 equal what? Equal 3. Okay, 3 over 1 equal what? 3, the same number. Another one, 16 over 18. 18 will be 9, so it decreased. 18 will be 9 divided. 18 divided what equal 9? 18 divided 2. So we'll make 16 divided 2 equal what? 8. The last one, space over 9 equal 32 over 72. The complete fraction is this. So 72 will be 9. So 72 decreased to be 9. 72 divided what equal 9? Divided 8. So I make 32 divided 8 equal 4. Okay, don't forget that the fraction had 3 types. And the first one is proper fraction, which is a polite one. And the second one will be improper fraction. The last will be is mixed fraction. What the meaning of the proper fraction, which is a polite one? Okay, proper fraction means that numerator is smaller than denominator, as 2 over 3, which is a polite one. Okay, in the other way, improper fraction. Proper fraction, which is called crazy fraction, which his head is bigger than his body. So numerator is greater than denominator, as 5 over 2. And the last one is mixed fraction, which a mix between a whole number and proper fraction. Must be proper fraction. Add 1, 2 over 3. Okay, now we don't want to forget how to simplify the fraction. Simplify means what? Means divide. Yeah, I make reduction to the fraction. Let's see. 3 over 6. When I make simplify, first I asked myself that 3 and 6, in which timetable 3 and 6 are exist? 3 and 6, yeah. In the timetable 3. So I can make divide 3 up, divide 3 down. 3 divided 3 and 6 divided 3 will be 1 over 2. Another example, as 4 over 20. Yeah, 4 over 20. In which timetable 4 and 20 are exist? 4, yeah, exist in 4, timetable 4. So I make divided 4. 4 divided 4 and 20 divided 4 will be 1 over 5. Yeah, let's see some examples. 5 over 10. 5 and 10, in which timetable are exist? In timetable 5, sure. So I make divided. 5 divided 5 and 10 divided 5. We will get half. Another one. 10 over 35. 10 and 35 can divisible by number what? By 5. Then 10 divided 5 will be 2. 35 divided by 5 will be 7. Another one. 15 over 27. 15 and 27. Can I divide 15 and 27 by 3? Yeah. 15 divided 3 equal 5. 27 divided 3 equal 9. So we'll get 5 over 9. Another one. 28 over 70. Yes, 70. Yeah, and timetable 7. Can I divide by 7? 28 by 7? Yes. So 28 divided 7 equal 4, and 70 divided 7 equal 10. Yeah, this is 4 over 10. But this fraction is the simplest form? No. Why? Because 4 over 10 in timetable 2. So I can make divide 2 up and down. 4 divided 2 and 10 divided 2 will be 2 over 5. This in simplest form? Yeah. Another one. 12 over 42. 12 and 42. In which timetable they are this? 2, yeah. And 4, okay, will be in 6, yes. 12 divided 6 will be 2. 42 divided 6 will be 7. So will be 2 over 7. The last one, 15 over 24. 15. Can I divide these two numbers by 3? Yes. 15 divided 3 will be 5 and 24 divided 3 will be 8. So I will get 5 over 8. We must know and revise the adding and subtracting fraction with common denominators. Yes. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. When I have same denominator, I put it out. Then I make adding. 1 plus 2 will be 3. So the answer will be 3 over 4. Another one, 5 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Okay, same denominator will be out, 9. So make subtraction. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Another one, 1 minus 1 over 7. Okay, equals 6 over 7. How? Can I cancel 1 and put 7 over 7? Yes. Okay, but why I choose 7 over 7? Why? Because this denominator is 7. So will cancel it, will be 7 over 7. So I have common denominator. And I can make subtraction. As 7 minus 1 will be 6. So the answer will be 6 over 7. Let's solve some examples. 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Put 5 out, then make adding. 1 plus 2 will be 3. Another one. 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Put the 6 out, then make adding. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Here, same denominator is 9, will be 9. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 6 over 13 minus 1 over 13. Put denominator out, 13. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Okay. 2 over 7 plus what equals 6 over 7. Okay. Do you remember the missing? What can I do here? When we have two far numbers, far makes what? Far makes minus, which the bigger number is minus the smaller number. We have common denominator, yes. Then I put here 7. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Another one. Two numbers are far. So far makes what? Far makes minus. Which is the bigger? 4. So have common denominator? Yes. We'll get 7. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Yeah. Another one. 1 plus 1 over 4. Okay. Can I cancel 1 and I put it as 4 over 4? Yeah. Can I make this adding? Yes. Common denominator will be 4. Then 4 plus 1 will be 5. Another one. 1 minus what equal 1 over 5. Okay. Far makes what? Far makes minus. Okay. Which is the bigger? 1 or 1 over 5? Okay. Can I cancel number 1 and I put it 5 over 5? Why 5 over 5? Because the denominator here is 5. So I want to be common denominator. I want to have common denominator. So we'll cancel 1 and put it 5 over 5. Then I make subtraction. Common denominator is 5, will be out. Then 5 minus 1 will be 4. The last one, 3 over 4 plus what equal 1. Okay, which denominator is here is 4. So I cancel number 1 and put 4 over 4. And far makes what? Far makes minus. Put the denominator out is 4. Then 4 minus 3 will be 1. Thank you, my students. If anyone have any question, you can ask me. Thank you. Goodbye.